Hey guys, it's Julia, aka The Mug Life DIY. I am so glad you guys decided to watch this fun collab I am doing today with DIY with Amber. So make sure you check out her channel, and we kind of talked back and forth trying to figure out what we wanted to do. And I just asked her, I was like, hey, have you ever, thrifted something from your home? And she was like, I don't know, maybe, yeah. So we decided to take something from our house that maybe we didn't like, or it was old, or maybe we did purchase it from the thrift store and flip it and make something refreshed and new for our homes. So I had two bedside tables, and I have actually had them for several years now. They had primer on them, and that was about as far as I got on that project, and we moved, and you know how things go. So I'm really excited I got to finish them, and I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. All right, guys, here is the before of my bedside table. This actually was a curbside find. It was in rough shape. The white paint is actually a primer that I put on about 2 years ago. Yeah, the bottom is broke. It's in desperate need of help. It is not real wood. It's like an MDF kind of compilation, super cheap, but it's what I have. And I want to redo this piece. So you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have all these fancy paints and skills and different things. I just took my sandpaper and just kind of did the best that I could with the uneven top, and just kind of went hard on the ripples, probably water or other damage. It's okay. And I just sanded that, and I wiped down with a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to take off the hardware. And I actually got this microfiber cloth from Dollar Tree, and I normally cut my microfiber cloths into smaller cloths so that I can have more of them. And I'm also taking off the front little door. What I was thinking and was really hoping that I could use that drawer in the bottom. And I do end up wood gluing it to the bottom, but I just leave it off for right now when I'm painting. And with this spray paint, I actually used a combination of two paints. It is Rust-Oleum chalked and Kilns chalked. It's both in a charcoal color. I've had these for a while, and I just love them. Like, I can't say enough about them. If you don't feel comfortable enough in trying to actually apply a chalk paint, spray paint is a great option. It is super fast. It is super easy. It goes on great. This is just the first light coat, and you can see kind of how chalky it is. It was really great in distributing, like how even it was in coverage. I did do light kind of spritz back and forth. You can kind of see just back and forth, and it covered so great even just with one coat. I did believe I'd do 2 coats, but I think it turned out great. I really wanted a different look to this dresser, so this black chalked was a good option. They did have a couple other colors. I got this from Walmart, and I think it's great. I really encourage you guys to try something, especially if you've never redone furniture. Try something new. Flip your furniture pieces to fit your new decor, or just give it a refresh. It's so easy to do. Anyone can do it. Just make sure you are in a well-ventilated place. I have my mask on, and that's it. And here is the clear wax that I will be applying. I actually have 2 of these side tables, so this is my second table, and I'm going to let this fully dry. Just read the back of the bottle, which here is the Kilns chalk paint, and I'll also show you the Rust-Oleum chalked paint. Both are in that charcoal color and are awesome. So I brought this is actually the first dresser that was fully dried. or not dresser, side table. And this wax I have had for quite some time, and you just need a little bit. You can just apply with a cloth, or you can use a wax brush. I just use white cloth. I think it applies really evenly, really nice. You let that set for a little bit, and then you can actually buff it out if you want a shinier polish to it, but I liked how it ended up with just one coat. This hardware I wanted to replace. I had this from an old dresser that I actually spray painted with a Rust-Oleum hammered metal, which I think it turned out really, really pretty. And don't forget to head on over to DIY with Amber and check out what she decided to thrifty flip in her home. And this was just so much fun doing. I love doing furniture, but I wasn't quite sure how everyone would like it. So let me know how you like this quick and easy tutorial on how you can flip your pieces of furniture and you don't have to be an expert at it. This is how my side table looks now. It just brings new life to my bedroom. I just absolutely love it. I did add a Dollar Tree rag rug on top just to kind of give it a little bit extra protection for whenever we have something that is wet or accidentally spill. This should help. Thanks guys, comment, like below, and I'll see you next time.